My name is Ganga Limbu. I am from KTK-BELT, Nepal. So our project KTK-BELT is based in eastern Nepal, creating vertical university from plains to the high Himalayan uh, range. So so we work with farmers, fisher folks, weavers, and herders. Talking about indigenous knowledge portal, so KTK-BELT has been working from 2015, and at the first we started from Yangsila, which is the second node of vertical university project. So in vertical university we have 6 nodes from plains to high Himalaya. So it starts from Kushitapu, and the second node is Yangsila, third node is Kurule Tinupa, and fourth is Tinjure Milke Jaljale, which is also we call TMJ. It is all about rhododendron. And fifth node is Songkhwasoba Learning Ground, and sixth node is Papung, which is very rich in diversity and high Himalayan lakes. Um, so in indigenous knowledge portal, so from Koshitapu, we are documenting the knowledge of weavers and fisher folks and birders about birds, plants, and also the community that has been practicing and the, uh, practicing the weaving from Taifa and water hyacinth product, and they are selling those products, and they are managing their family. Also, the income comes from that weaving. So same as in Yangsila, the altitude, the range comes from 440 meters to 1915 meters. So it is all about Jure, and it the range is plain as well as kind of hill. So Yangsila is diverse in medicinal plants, and so in Yangsila you can find uh, farmers and endangered species called pangolin. So we also work on that, and we have collected the stories about pangolins and hundreds of plants. So in PhotoKTM exhibition, we are also showcasing the videos that we documented in Yangsila. And the third node is Kurule Tinupa, that is all about the climate change crisis and about um, river ecosystem, fisher folks. So Fisher Dai just went and documented about fisher folks and the soil from that space, that place. And the fourth node, TMJ, is all about the endemic plants, and there are 30 species of rhododendrons, so we aim to document, and also medicinal plants that are particularly fine in that range. And Songkhwasaba is all about the medicinal plants and um, the high Himalaya medicinal plants, and the culture of the herders as well. So in Papung, we aim to document also about medicinal plants and the culture of different ethnic communities like Bote, Sirpa, and Limbus, and the herders, yak herders. So they are roaming around. In summer season, they go up, and in winter season they come down. So we are aiming to document that their lives as well. So in indigenous knowledge portal, so we aim to document such things of their lives, daily lives, as well as their practices.
So hi, my name is Kishor Sharma. My background is in photography, but currently I'm with KTK-BELT as an indigenous knowledge program director. Like as Ganga mentioned, so we are building this indigenous knowledge archive where we are interviewing people from the different walks, and then about the local plants or about the local culture. I mean, it's a sort of like a biocultural heritage. So we try to cover different aspect of the community. So the idea is to build this archive where yeah, people can come and learn about all these practices. So talking about the process, so Ganga has been with the project since long time, uh, and she has been making videos. And I recently joined, but I am also currently producing videos that will go in the archive that we are making. So archive agent, so it will mainly go in the website, uh, but it will also be exhibited in different forms. Like Ganga mentioned, in all the 6 nodes, we have learning grounds. We call it learning grounds. So these are led by the local people. So it's like a sort of local NGOs, but all the members and all the staffs are local people. So they actually whenever we go to make the videos, they actually coordinate for us. And then we go to villages, and most of the time they have been very welcoming. They're happy to share the knowledge that they have. So I mean, there hasn't been any issue so far. So everyone is very welcoming.
And from my talking about from my experience, they are very happy to share their knowledge through the video as well. So this knowledge has been kind of ignored, and it has been come from generations to generations, and like with the science and development of science and technology, so we are ignoring that kind of knowledge as well. So it is also important to share with younger generations as well. So when we tell them about this is the sharing, exchanging, or transferring knowledge. Um, so even one person, if one person share, then that can be shared to anywhere, and any individual, and also younger generation as well. So yeah, from the farmers or from the individuals, they are okay to share their knowledge as well, and excited about. And it is interesting to share not only the typical knowledge of medicinal values, but also about the myths and folk tales, and that also inspired me a lot, documenting these indigenous knowledge.
I have been part of the photo circle, PhotoKTM also, from the very first edition. And this year, since the theme of the exhibition sort of is about the nature. I mean the nature, and then nature in large, but also talking about the specific like issues around that, sort of like climate change. I mean, it's a very large issue, but how do you sort of like break it down? And then Nayantara, the festival director, we are having discussion like if we could also somehow like collaborate for the exhibition. I shared the video that Ganga produced, and we decided to sort of like collaborate with another artist. The work is also somehow the nature of work is somehow similar. So we thought of like collaborating these two works and putting it in the one place. So as you can see here, in this side is the KTK work, and then you can see the other artist work on the side.